You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is k equals 64. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Expand the parentheses. Break up the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all k terms on the left side of the equation. Add 1 over 8k to both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 8 over 9 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the k. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 72 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is k equals 64.